Good evening. We're on Dawn Outdoor Adventures in the kitchen. We'd we'd have caught some crappie, and I was a believer that you take your crappie fillets, put them in a Ziploc bag, put a little water in there, actually a lot of water in there, and then you seal it up and you freeze it. But a friend of mine said I'm just wasting freezer space, and I got a bunch of crappie we caught, and now I'm a true believer in the FoodSaver product. I went and bought one, uh, brand new, got it. I already filleted the fish, got some nice fillets here, big fillets, and now I'm gonna put them in my FoodSaver bag here. So we want to open it up. You got your roll in there. One thing I didn't do, I thought I was messing up, but there's two sides to this. You got a clear side and you got a rough side. And when you put it in here, the clear side needs to be down so you can make your bags and it'll seal. If you don't do that, the water will stop you from sealing the bag. And I had to find that out the hard way, but me and my wife, we figured it out. We read a little more and she figured it out. So right now, I'm getting ready to make the seal on the bottom part of my bag. So you put it on the line there, close it, lock it in to on, then you press seal, and that's going to seal your bag, the bottom portion of it, because the sides are already sealed when it comes in that roll. Once the light goes off, it's sealed. There it goes. It's sealed. Now I'm going to unlock it, turn to open, and lift it up, and you got a nice seal right there. See the seal? Then you pull it out about 3 of these lines, 1, 2, 3, and the fourth one I'm gonna put down here because I got quite a bit of crappie, and I'm gonna seal it right about there. Well, I'm gonna cut it, close it, lock it to on. Then this has got a blade on it that you run across to cut your bag. So you just run across like that, unlock it, pick it up, and now your bag, you got a bag right there now. So I'm gonna put the fillets in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Big, nice fillets. Look at that. Nice ones. 10. We're gonna do 10 at a time. Yeah, 10 of them. You wanna, like I said, get it all. You want to keep it 3 inches from the top here. So you want to put it down in the tray here. This right here is your water tray or juice tray. You stick the edge of that bag down, and that's where the suction is going to come from. Put it in there like that. Stick it in there like that. Then you want to close it and lock it back. Since I'm doing fish, they got a moist button on here. You want to hit moist because there's going to be a little juice coming up out of there or water. So you hit moist, and then you hit vacuum seal, and it'll make that noise, and then it starts sucking. There it goes. It's sucking it all out. You wait a few seconds till all the lights cut off. It's sealing right now. That red light means that it's sealing also. Should be about now. Now it's all done. You unlock it, pick it up, and there you have your nice seal right there on the top. And you got your nice fillets all ready to go. And there you have it. Crappie fillets. I think they're good for about 2 years without having them in water. And my partner told me that they're just as good as if I took them out of this and put them in the grease right now. They'll be just as fresh and good. You don't have the water. Water kind of waterlogs the fish. So when you put it in your cornmeal, you notice it'll get all sticky and wet looking. That's that's because you got too much water in your fish. This way, you don't have no water. It sucks all the air out, and it stays fresh for months to come. So there you have it, my new FoodSaver with the cutting blade, 5-year warranty on it, and it works. I'm a true believer now in the vacuum seal. I'll be doing my deer, my rabbits, my fish, catfish. It'll all be in vacuum seal from here on out because I'm a true believer now in the FoodSaver products. We'll see you next time on Don Outdoor Adventures in the Kitchen.